Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can import a image in Krita. So if you're new into this app, Krita is an open source, free, community driven tool for digital artists everywhere. Here we go, you can download it Krita from the official website. And to start, you can open image here, import your image by push Ctrl O or just click open image here and search the image that you want to edit. This one, open, and here we go, the image imported. So you can create or you can edit your photo or your image here. For example, you want to add text, or you want to a curve or add shape here. For example, you can try to reduce opacity and so on. So you can learn one by one how to and tutorial how to use this Krita in the website, or you can watch other YouTube how to you can edit your image in Krita. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the thanks button below. See you in the next video.